Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw line arrow shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add line arrow shape. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and choose blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and click the shapes drop down menu. Now we can see here many shape. Then we go to the line section and we can see here the line shape or the line arrow or the line arrow double. Now I am select the line arrow shape. Then press shift on our keyboard and draw the arrow. We can see we make a line arrow shape very easily. You can change the color. Go to the shape format menu and select the outline option and add any color. Otherwise you can add more than white. Go back again the outline and select the white option. Now we can see we insert a line arrow shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.